Hello students, I am Ms. Vibha from Maa Kalyanika Public School, Pendra Road, Chhattisgarh. In this video, I am going to teach you class 4th maths, exercise 2.8. Yes students, in exercise 2.8, see A, B, C and D. 4 questions are there and in each questions 4 questions are more given. Okay. So one question I will solve from each steps, means from each A, B, C and D, from each questions I will solve one for you, because rest of the questions are exactly same, only the numbers are changed. Okay. So starting with question number 1, students. So solve stepwise. What is the meaning of solve stepwise? Students, first of all, for solving any question, the most important thing is you should understand the question. Okay, you must understand the question, then only you will be able to solve the question. So students, solve stepwise. So what is the meaning of stepwise? I will tell you first. So stepwise means, see here students, 4617, 2115 minus 5918. 3 numbers are given, but students, the operations or the sign present here, the symbols present here is of plus and minus. Addition is also there and subtraction is also there. So students, according to DeMar's rule, D-M-A-S, according to DeMar's rule, we will solve this question. Why? Because if more than one operation is given in any question, for example, if all are plus or minus like that, we have to see, but both the operations are given, we have to follow the DeMar's rule. Means from this question we will solve first the division, then the multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. Means between the numbers, first we have to see the division is there, then first we will solve first division, then we will solve multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So here students, addition and subtraction is given, so first we will add the numbers and after receiving the answer from that we will subtract the numbers. Okay, so first addition, then subtraction. So students, see in this question, 4617, 4617 plus 2415. Students, I had explained you in the previous videos that what you have to know, you should know that the number present here is not having any sign, means it is plus this number, and which means which sign this number is having, this is having plus sign and this number is having minus sign, means the signs are present in front of the number, not after the number. 2415 is not having the minus sign, this sign is of this number 5918, this number is having plus sign and this is having the minus sign. So students, I told you first addition, plus is there, so in between these numbers, so first we will add these two numbers. So addition of these two numbers, here I am showing you 7 plus 5, 7 plus 5 students, 12. Directly we will write 1 to 12, 1, 2, 3. 3, 6 plus 4, 10, 1, 0, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. So students, the answer received here is 7032. So you will write the answer here, but you will not show this here. Okay, in rough you have to solve. So that's why I had erased it. So now 7032 is the addition, means the sum of these two numbers. Okay. Now this number is left, so directly this number you will write minus 5918. Now students, I hope after solving this question, up till here you have to put one arrow mark also, means this is called this implies that. So now after solving this much term, now you are getting from here, what you have to do, simply you have to subtract. So students, 7032 minus 5918. So what answer you will receive after subtracting? Let's see. So 3 will become 2. Why I am taking from here? Because 2 is smaller than 8, but 3 is greater than 1. So from here I am taking 3 will become 2 and 2 will become 12. 12 minus 8. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4. Okay. 4. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now again 0 is smaller 9. So it will take borrow. 7 will become 6, 0 will become 10. 10 will not give any number to 3 or 2. Why? Because already this number is greater and this is smaller. Clear to you? So now 10 minus 9, 1, and 6 minus 5, 1. So the answer received here is 1114. So students, in this way you have received the answer. With some space you will write the answer. Okay. So students, in this way you can solve the question given, that is solved stepwise. So if addition is given here, then you have to add this number. If addition is given here, you have to add this number. After receiving the sum of these two numbers, you have to subtract the left number, and after subtracting it, you will get the answer. Clear to you students? I hope you have understood, and according to this you will solve question number B and question number, B not, question number 1 is I had solved for you, 2, 3 and 4 you will solve. So moving to question number B. Find the sum that is, understand the question students. Find the number that is 563 more than this number. Means this number is given and this much more. This much more means simply students 8,978 more than 8,978. How much more? 563 more. So 563 more, and try to understand. Simply addition. Find the number that is 563 more than 8,978. Means you have to add 563 to this number, then you will get this much more than this number. So 8 plus 3 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 1, 11. 6 will be plus 1, 7, 7 plus 7, 14, 1, 4, 14. Now 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 1, 5, 15, 8 plus 1, 9. So simply students, in question number B, you have to add. If it is asked this much more, then you have to add the numbers. Clear to you? Yes. So now moving to question number C. Find the number that is, now one more term is there, find the number that is 2,867 less than 7,853. Means this is the number given, 7,853, but this much less than. So out of this much you have to make less, and less than means I had explained in previous video, minus. So 2,867. Okay, 2,867. So 3 minus 7 cannot be done, 5 minus 6 cannot be done, 8 minus 8 can be done, but from here we will take, it will become 7, it will become 15, 15 will become 14, give it 1 to this, and now this will become 13. So this will also become, we will cut it, and 7 will become 6, because 7 cannot give 8, so it will become 17. So now 13 minus 7, so 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 6. Okay. 14 minus 6, so 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 8. Okay, now 17 minus 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 means total 9. Okay. Now 6 minus 2 is 4. So 4,986 is the answer received, is the number which is this much less than 7,853. Got it? Yes. Students, moving to question number D now. Rest you can solve according to this. Means you have to subtract in this number. What should be added to? What should be added to this much to get this? So what should be added? But the question is not of addition. How much you will add to this number to get this number? So students, 3400 you have to get, and you know how to check the answer. The subtraction is there, and how to check the answer? By addition. So that question is present here. So simply how much should be added to this number to get this number? So So total is this. So we will subtract this number and we will get the answer 1672. So simply subtract this, students. 3 will become 2, 14 will become 13, 10 will become 9, and this 10 will be 10. 10 minus 2, 8, 9 minus 7, 2, 13 minus 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this is 7. Okay, now 2 minus 1, 1. So students, I hope you have understood. See all the equations. Here you have to add, then you have to subtract by using the 2 steps, because it is given stepwise. Directly you will not write the answer. Question number B, you have to do addition. Question number C, you have to do subtraction, and question number D also you have to do subtraction. So students, in this way you can solve exercise 2.8. Thank you for watching.